into the dawn. You pray till the lights come on. And don't you feel like you just been born?
So ayun na guys, tumataas na tayo dito sa Quitinday Hills. Dati, last time na pumunta ako dito, hindi pa siya cemented. So at least ngayon cemented na yung mga stairs. So ayun, nakakapagod pa din.
I think I just died. Yeah, I think I just
Lapit na tayo, I think.
died.